Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom wallet. It will be really simple and easy. So, since we want to receive funds or crypto into our Phantom wallet, what we need to do first is we need to get the address of our wallet for Phantom 1. So, first of all, open up the Phantom here, and in here, since we want to receive again funds here, let's go and choose the receive option that you see here on the home page. Now you have to go and specify what crypto what you want to receive. For example, if we have Solana, Ethereum, Base, Bitcoin, so just click on appropriate one here. From here, just click on copy button that you see here. Once you have copied that, what we need to do next is just open up the Binance application here. Now on the bottom right, you have to tap on this assets or wallet tab here. From here, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says withdraw or send button. Let's go ahead and tap on it. And by the way, I am in my spot wallet if you are wondering. So go and choose spot wallet first. Now in here we want to go ahead and choose the crypto that we want to basically send. So go ahead and click on search coins here, type in Solana, and from here choose the let's send via crypto network. Now you want to go ahead and provide the address here, and from here it will automatically choose the network for it. So you want to go ahead and choose the withdrawal amount here. So make sure to enter it, and from here just give you an idea. Typically it's going to use the Solana network. It will automatically give it to you, but for Solana, just in case it doesn't indicate it here, it will be using the Solana network here. Choosing the correct network is really important here. So if you choose the incorrect network here, it will result you losing your funds or you won't be able to receive your crypto. So again, make sure you are using the correct one. Once you are going to show here, just click on withdraw here in the bottom right corner and confirm it if requires any verification, and that's pretty much it. So that's how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.